If you've been watching the semiconductor space, Aehr Test Systems just dropped an earnings call that is absolutely packed with game-changing news. And if you're an investor or just a tech enthusiast, you do not want to miss what's coming. From record-breaking backlogs to brand-new customers, this one has a lot to unpack. Let's count down the top 10 most important takeaways from Aehr's Q3 fiscal 2026 earnings call, starting with number 10. Coming in at number 10, Aehr is aggressively expanding its manufacturing capacity. The company announced it will begin shipping Sonoma systems from a contract manufacturer this quarter, adding more than 20 additional Sonoma units per month. That's a meaningful jump in production capability that sets the stage for everything else on this list. At number 9, Aehr expects to return to non-GAAP profitability in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2026. After a challenging year of investment and lower near-term revenues, this is a pivotal signal that the business model is inflecting, and that all those bookings are starting to translate into real financial results. Number 8. Aehr raised its full-year fiscal 2026 revenue guidance. Management now expects revenue to come in on the high side of the previously provided $45 to $50 million range. Given where the company was just 2 quarters ago, this upward revision reflects the accelerating pace of customer demand. At number 7, Aehr is making serious moves into the memory market. The company is in advanced discussions with key flash and high-bandwidth memory suppliers, including those producing HBM used in AI GPUs. Management believes this could drive orders in fiscal 2027, with meaningful ramps following in fiscal 2028, a potentially massive new growth vector. Number 6 is a landmark win on the package-level burn-in side. Aehr's lead hyperscale data center customer, a premier large-scale cloud provider, selected the company's Sonoma platform for production burn-in of their next-generation, significantly higher-power AI processor. A substantial expansion of Sonoma systems purchases is expected beginning in the second half of calendar 2026. Coming in at number 5, AI wafer-level burn-in is, as the CEO put it, really hot right now. Aehr received a $14 million follow-on production order from its lead AI accelerator processor customer for multiple new fully automated Fox XP systems used in data center training and inference. This order also added full automation upgrades across the customer's existing production lines. At number 4, Aehr scored a major new silicon photonics customer win. This new customer is developing advanced transceivers for hyperscale data center optical interconnects and placed an initial order for multiple high-power Fox XP systems for both engineering qualification and high-volume production, with a forecast for additional systems over the next year. Number 3. Aehr's book-to-bill ratio exceeded 3.5 times in the third quarter. That means for every dollar of product Aehr shipped, it booked $3.50 in new orders. That kind of ratio signals explosive future revenue growth and is one of the strongest indicators of demand momentum you'll see in this industry. At number 2, Aehr's effective backlog has now reached a new all-time company record of over $50 million. After generating roughly $20 million in bookings in the first half of the fiscal year, the company booked 2.5 times that amount in the second half alone and expects second-half bookings to come in on the high side of the $60 to $80 million range. And the number 1 takeaway from Aehr's Q3 earnings call: the company is setting up for a breakout fiscal 2027. With a record backlog, a rapidly expanding customer base across AI processors, silicon photonics, power semiconductors, and memory, plus growing manufacturing capacity, Aehr believes it has a clear path to significant revenue growth next fiscal year. The CEO described being at the early innings of what could be a massive, multi-year adoption cycle for burn-in across the semiconductor industry. The momentum is real, and it's accelerating. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more earnings deep dives like this one. Drop your questions about Aehr in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think about the story developing here.